Good morning, folks. Tell you what, it's bright and early here on Father's Day, and I'm gonna bring you a little biscuits and gravy cook on the spy cam. So hopefully I got the sound working a little bit better this time, so we'll see what happens, guys. Let's get going with this biscuits and gravy. All right, folks, this is the first time I'm cooking on this grill in this manner, so should be fun. I've got my char-broil my char-broil gasser sitting here. It's been preheating here for a while, and it looks like I've got my temps up here to about 350 degrees inside. I think this gauge is crap. I'll have to replace that at some point. Get a little bit better gauge in there. So let's get on some let's get some sausage going here just to get it started. Should have let that pan heat up a little bit more, but hopefully our sound's a little bit better this time. All right, get that going for a bit just to fry up some sausage, and we'll come back and make some gravy. Hey guys, this is the part I'm not sure of. I just got regular store-bought biscuits. I've only got my two outside burners on, creating an oven effect right here. See if we can get some biscuits going right there. Everything looks good. Let's go inside and do one more very important step. Very important step in our morning, right there. Good morning, guys. Cheers. Oh, it's good coffee. Good coffee. All right, give these guys a flip here. Oh yeah, looking good. Look at that sear on there. Woo. Close quarters. Get over it. Let this sausage get away from me here. Then we get on to the serious stuff. This out of here, we'll be back. Oh, I'm ready. Ready for some gravy. Let's scrape that up. Put my hand on it. We're gonna need that here soon. Let's get some of this sausage ground up in here. Put this down a little bit lower. We don't want to go crazy here. Like a little sausage ground up into my gravy. Adds to it. It's working to get all of them dredging off the bottom there. Love it. Just because I don't know this grill, I'm just going to turn these around even bake. I'm out of real butter, so I'm going right here. That's what makes Southern gravy. Maybe see how it goes here. About 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I don't know if I'm going to use it all or not. Maybe. Just gonna let that cook just a minute to burn some of that flour off of there. I burn myself every time. All right, guys. In with the meal. That was 2 cups of milk, by the way. I don't know if I can do a cook without burning myself. Add a little black pepper here. I never add salt because I get enough salt from the sausage. I'm gonna take these biscuits in the house and I'll come back and finish this off real quick. Starting to change some color because it won't be perfectly white, but I'm good with that. I'm gonna give this a little taste before we finish. Not too shabby on the flavor. Yes, she's starting to boil off. What about there? There you go. I'm calling this. We are going off. Ah, turn it off. There we go. Let's get this inside. Have some breakfast. I realized after the fact, after I got this in here, that my biscuits weren't quite done out there, so I put them in the oven here for just a little bit. I'm almost too done. So, it's alright, go. That's alright though. Get some gravy going here. Then got the family going. I don't know how this lighting is. Probably not real good. It's alright, we're learning how to do spy cam cooks. The table here. Looks good. Get a couple pieces of sausage. Give this thing a taste. It's nothing fancy. I just did breakfast on the grill, is all. Alright, we're going in for the big bite. Look at that. Alright guys, thanks so much guys. I'm having fun with this little spy cam and I'm hoping it's turning out a decent video. So we'll see you in the editing phase. Till next time guys, thanks so much. Hit that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and we're gonna see how this goes on these spy cam cooks, and we'll just see how they go. So, thanks so much folks. We will see you on the next cook. God love you guys. Bye bye.